Yo, what's up, guys? Today's gonna be a weird video. We're gonna talk about ghost hunting tools. All right. So, me, I consider myself a little bit of a paranormal enthusiast, if you know what I mean. And I like creepy stuff. I like creepy pastas. I like watching ghost videos. I like watching UFO stuff. I like all that great stuff. And today I got home and I was just kind of, putzing around and I'm like, damn, I wonder what they sell for like tech, like for ghost hunting, right? Because I live in the state of Maine. And if there's anything you know about this state, it's a freaky place. There's freaky stuff that happens in the woods, right? You go out there, they got these pikas, they got all this weird stone huts and creepy stuff, old creepy houses in the middle of the woods in the middle of nowhere that you're like, how the hell did this house get here? We got a lot of that stuff up here, and I've kind of entertained the idea of like ghost hunting as a hobby, and then I retract that thought and I'm like, that's stupid. And yeah, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna start. We're gonna go recursory level, and then at the end, I've got an amazing troll article. Whoever works at A&E that wrote this is like hilarious, but yeah. So let's kind of look at some of the pricing on this stuff because this is like crazy. So you got a spirit box right here. Um, Hold on. What the hell is a spirit box? First of all, let's find out together. What is a spirit box? See if we got like a Wikipedia or something. Figure this one out. What is this? What does a spirit box do? How does a spirit box work? Is it real? Oh, yes, I hate reading all the comments from skeptics who have never used one but deny its ability to work. All it does is scan radio frequencies for spiritual energy to manipulate. You can hear the device sweep through the channels. This just kind of sounds like a regular radio. It's like a ham radio. But when you get sentences in response to your questions through 5 or 6 different sweeps, you know it's not interference. This person's delusional. Okay, I am open to the idea of ghosts, but you're not gonna find ghosts through radio signals. Like, I'm sorry, dude. That's just something they made a movie about that everybody went crazy. So they're not really telling me. What does a spirit box actually do? Oh, this is for a game. I forgot that game existed. I gotta play that game. Ghost box. Spirit box, like, what does it do? I want to know. Anyway, it scans radio signals to try to, so you talk to the radio like, hey bud, are you there? Are you dead? You alive? Well, I don't get it. Anyway, spirit box, yeah, they got one of those. They got, what is this? EMF magnetic field reader. I guess that would be good for, I don't know, like maybe somebody working in a server room or something. Like, I don't understand the reason. How does this find ghosts? I don't know. Am I missing some like sort of crazy data? Holy shit, $179 for this. This is like the craziest grift I've ever seen in my life. Yo, cause check it out, if there's a ghost, you just see the ghost. You know what I mean? There's no need for all this. If there's a ghost there, you're gonna know there's a ghost. It's kind of stupid. So yeah, like this stuff is like pricey. Like here's another one. This looks pretty official. $94. Let's see. I'm curious as to see what the reviews say. Here we go. Perfect for beginner ghost hunters. My boyfriend and I took this to the Jerome Grand Hotel. It was hand sized and easy to carry with us. The sound wasn't stressful like you hear on BuzzFeed Unsolved. Oh my god, I forgot BuzzFeed exists. Oh, that's a cursed name right there. And it was good to use. We didn't get anything coming through for us there. But I also read Spirit Boxes seems not to work there much. I'll be trying it at home too. I love the various functions on it, like record. I am so happy to bro, you could literally just get Yo, what? How much is this? Oh my god, it's like $94. You can buy a trash laptop and put some SDR crap on there and just do the same thing. Like I don't get this. This is like stupid, dude. Let's see, let's find another one. Unit is easy to use and a really nice kit overall. Okay, dude. I'm glad I purchased this instead of other spirit boxes. It was very easy to use and has a loudspeaker. Okay, dude. What is this? It is hyped up, overrated Bluetooth small radio. It's not a spirit box. It's just a way overpriced kids radio. Fucking got him. All right, let's look at some more of this stuff. Ghost hunting equipment kit, EMF reader, two motion lights. Up, wait, light up cat balls. What the fuck? Paranormal equipment. Okay, dude. This looks kind of legit. What is this? Ghost hunting. Bridia paranormal equipment tool with enhanced sensitivity, temperature deviation detection. What the fuck? No reviews. It would be funnier if it had reviews, right? I guess so. So yeah, you got stuff on Amazon. You know, if you're an amateur ghost hunter and you needed $30 dowsing rod, you know, or dowsing things, whatever the pendulum, whatever the hell that is. There you go, $30. All right, let's get off of here. Let's go to another site. This is one of the first sites that I found. The dude, the pricing on this stuff is insane to me. People are really like paying like $180 for like a shit radio. Like, what is this? Okay, let's give her a little reading. Ghost hunting has long been a subject of fascination for those who seek to explore the mysterious and unexplained. While many consider it a fringe activity, there is a growing community of individuals who approach ghost hunting with a scientific mindset. Using tools and instruments to gather data and investigate paranormal phenomenon. Kestrel meters, originally designed for weather monitoring and environmental research, have found an unexpected use in this field, aiding paranormal investigators in their quest for evidence of the supernatural. Kestrel meters have become an integral part of modern ghost hunting and how they provide a more objective and data-driven approach to paranormal investigation. If they ain't trying to sell you some bullshit in that paragraph, bro, oh man, they just sold me a whole bridge full of bullshit. What is it? Yo, the mount is $40. What? Kestrel portable rotating vane mount. Yo, that's another mount. That's $80 mount. What the? Yo, this shit is $350. $360. Probably like what the? The Kestrel needle does it all. So it's a weather thing, but then they're like, yeah, you can ghost hunt with it, right? That's interesting. So yeah, that's like somebody trying to shill their normal like scientific equipment as like ghost hunting tools. Very nice. Now we got this one. This one was the one that I was like the most entertained with because it seemed to like really have a lot of stuff here. And I'm gonna be fully transparent on this. All right, spirit boxes, EMF readers, all this stuff. I don't necessarily know the technicals of how they work. I just know that this whole thing is fucking stupid because you don't need all this stuff to tell if there's a ghost there. Like, you'll know if there's a ghost. Like, trust me, you'll know it, right? Not that I'm like I personally myself haven't seen a ghost, and I'm not like 100% sold on whether it's real or not. But I'm open to the idea of ghosts being real. You know if that makes any sense. Yo, they got the beginner ghost hunting kit, $150. Yep. Phasm video? What the fuck is this? Why is this 269? So what is this? These are LED lights, right? I'm assuming, and this is like a little camera. This video, what is it? This video package features. Wait, yo, this is so bad, dude. This video packages features our Phasm camera, full spectrum video camera combined with our feature packed Phasm light and tripod. The camera and light magnetize to each other. Okay, dude, we get it. We get it. So you basically sold me a knockoff. This is a knockoff fucking GoPro. Holy shit, that's just a knockoff GoPro. That's literally what I have one of these. Well, not exactly the same, but so you get a knockoff GoPro and a little LED light. Fucking $270. Oh my god, dude. They're really taking people for a ride on this, huh? Like this thing, I want to look at this because you got the headgear going. So what do we got? We got some cheap headphones. We got the cheap. Okay, these headphones is like $15 on Amazon, right? You got this mask. I have something very similar to this that I wear when I go to bed. Like $7 or $8, right? So where we at? We're like $22. And then what is this thing? S-Box Ghost Scanner. Like there can't be a lot going on in there because it's literally a speaker and like 8 buttons and like a LED readout. Estes Method Spirit. The Estes Method Spirit Box Kit features a solid mix of high-quality investigative research items used to conduct the popular Estes method for spiritual communication sessions. This experiment utilizes a combination of a spirit box, sensory deprivation in the form of noise reduction headphones, and blindfold combined so you just fucking close your eyes, bro. Oh my goodness. Look, they got another one. Yo, this is 620 right here. They got the same shitty GoPro with the LED light up on there. Knockoff GoPro. Oh, what do they got? Like a crappy Android watch? Oh my goodness. So what, this is probably like 60 or $80 for that. The flashlight's probably like $20. What is this thing? What is this thing that it comes with? Phasm cam, Phasm light, EMF reader. That thing can't be more than like 60 or $80 itself, right? So like 140, like 160 plus 200. So this is probably like $220 worth of stuff if I had to guess. And they're getting you for $620. Like that's crazy, bro. Yo, they're really taking these ghost hunting motherfuckers for a ride, bro. Wait, the Boo Buddy? This is a nanny cam, dude. $400 on a nanny cam, a flashlight, and a crappy Android watch. Holy cow. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is wild. I think I fell into something way more crazy than I thought I was going to fall into. What the yo, they're trying to get people hard. What is this? 360 camera. What is going on here, dude? $720. Three crappy $40 crappy GoPros. And when I say this, here, watch. Hold on. Let's see. New tab. Let's see. Amazon. Right? So when you up here, when you type in GoPro, I'm gonna see if we can even find the one that they're selling. They have all these knockoff GoPros. Hold on, let me scroll down. Like this is like the one I have right here. It was like $40. Yeah, let me see if I find it. What it had like a little LED. I bet you I find it with a little LED. Like, yo, you can get one of these little LED packs. It's like $25. I bet you find that cheaper too. It's only because I typed a GoPro in there that they're passing these things. Anyway, the cameras that they're offering with that, they're not good. They're not good cameras. I can tell just by looking on the outside of them. But yeah, so what? You get 3 of those and a mount for fucking 700. This is the craziest grift I've ever seen in my life. Holy cow. This really is. Like, what the fuck are these? Spike pod? What the fuck is this? Spike sensor? EVP sound sensor? EMF energy? Why wouldn't you just build one of these? Like, I don't understand why somebody would go. I bet you there's some asshole that bought, like, all this stuff. They make these people rich. Absolutely rich. The old ghost hunting. What do we got here? Ghost hunting kits for ghost hunting on a budget. No one ever said that ghost hunting was easy. You never know when or where the next ghost sighting is going to happen, and capturing evidence of these spirits can be difficult, especially if you're unprepared. That's what makes a ghost hunting toolkit so handy for any paranormal investigator. Beginners can rely on a bundle to save resources when learning about ghost hunting essentials. Oh my god. Okay, enough of looking at this crazy ripoff site. Let's go. Let's get to the elephant in the room. The greatest and most amazing article I've ever seen in my life. Um, Hold on, let me pause for a second. All right, let's get into this article. Budget tech. Paranormal investigators with deep pocket can hit up any of the many specialty sites online that sell equipment for hunting spirits. But not everyone has the money to buy the newest and best tech available. Yeah, no shit, it's all like crazy money. However, that's not as much of an obstacle as you may think. In fact, you might be surprised at some of the low-tech, commonplace items the ghost hunters have used to capture evidence over the years. Here are a few gadgets used by Ghost Hunters team that you might be able to find laying around your house right now. I actually like the way this is written. This is like amazing. This is a 150% a troll article. Whoever wrote this was amazing. Half-inflated helium balloon. I don't even know what the fuck this is. I used powdered smoke primarily used in HVAC industry to locate drafts in order to disprove people feeling their hair being touched, cold spots, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, helium balloon, baby powder with the fucking footprints in it. Talcum powder on a poster board is a very simple way to capture footprints or fingerprints. Based. 3, a compass, to detect EMF or magnetic fields. Honestly, why don't people just use the compass? That seems like such a... Bro, you can get a nice compass for like $10. Yeah, compass. Cray paper. Cray paper makes a good motion detector. Oh my god. 5. This is my favorite one. Yourself. Look how serious this fucking guy. That guy kind of looks like Queso a little bit. My favorite piece of equipment is myself. I am the best tool. Yes, you are. I know how I think, how I react, and how to put the puzzles together. Based, the best tool in our arsenal, in my opinion, is our minds. Discerning, caring, and putting pieces together is the key to making this all work. We couldn't help anybody with just equipment alone. Anyway, this is my little I something to laugh at, you know what I mean? My little video for the night. Ghost hunting tools. They're a ripoff. Don't buy ghost hunting tools. It's fucking stupid. You don't need ghost hunting tools. You can literally just use your eyeballs. You use your eyeballs to see the ghost. Maybe a camera. Maybe try to get it, whip your phone out, whatever. I also saw there's a bunch of ghost hunting apps. None of those work. None of it's real. I don't think all you need is a camera. All you need is a camera. If you want to capture a ghost, just get a decent camera. You don't have to spend $3,000 on all these ghost hunting tools and get like a fucking leather trench coat and a cowboy hat and show up and be like, yeah, I'm here to chase some ghosts off. You don't gotta do that. Literally just buy a camera. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner. You guys have a good night.